So since I have a fire going, I'm gonna have pizza. So I'm gonna use flatbread. This is gonna be my tomato sauce, so I need to rehydrate that. That's gonna take a little while because I'm gonna use cold water, and then I think I'm going to try to heat these up. You don't really need to because they're already cooked, or yeah, I mean you can eat them raw. And then I'm gonna have cheese. Okay. So just to make sure my pepperoni gets nice and toasty, I'm gonna heat some of it over the fire. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to bring the coals to the cooking area because I want coals and not fire. That one's still on fire. Okay, let's try that. So I folded the corners in because they might get burnt. I might need to, there's a flame there. I might need to rotate the paper halfway through. Okay, well, that's where it turned out today. The pepperoni started sizzling, the paper started smoking, but there's my pepperoni pizza. Okay, so the bottom got a little burnt in that one, but it's okay. It tastes good. One thing I would say is you have to be careful because it's very easy for the pizza to slide off your grill. So maybe you can bend up the corners or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's not bad for camp food.